So I thought I'll go and visit myself to have a first-hand experience before the time comes for the children to go there. And I am grateful for all the assistance that I got in terms of my visa and seeing the places around there from the academy, and especially the Deputy Dean, Dr. Vasan. My main aim was to see a couple of things for myself firsthand, though when I went in, at that time the holidays were on, so I didn't see the classes as such in action, but my aim was to see a couple of things which I will share with you, and maybe it gives you a little comfort and confidence as it has given me. Firstly, I wanted to see the infrastructure of the hostel, and more so from the parents' point of view of girls, and therefore I visited the hostel number 3. I have not been to other hostels, so I will not comment on that. So the main worry was security and somebody who could take care of the students. And when I went there, I was very happy to see I met the commandant there, who is a lady. Apart from the general staff and the wardens, I met everybody. They were very helpful, opened up a couple of rooms, showed it to me, and I clicked a few photographs which are there with you. You can have a look. It's a pretty secure place, the hostel which I saw, and the place itself where has got sufficient number of malls or supermarkets. So I went to those also to see what all is available. So generally everything is available. Maybe a little more expensive than India, but that's I think tolerable and manageable. The hostel is very secured. It's clean. Rooms are averagely good. And when I say averagely good, it's in a continuous process of renovation. So as the time progresses, I'm sure it's going to improve. That's the impression I got. Coming to the academy itself, it's in a very nice heritage building, and I am again grateful that I could meet the dean and in fact the rector, who is the chancellor of the university equivalent from India, and he really took pains to listen to me and ask me what were my feelings, and also ensured that a few of the classrooms, the labs, staff rooms were opened up for me to have a look. So the good thing about the classrooms was that they were small, unlike the ones in India which I have seen. And since my wife is a lecturer, so I know they try and stuff in maximum number of students here. But my personal opinion is that unless the student-teacher ratio is good, that means it's kept as small as possible, children don't get the kind of attention that is required. And one doesn't come to know, I mean, in a big class you can't really enforce that knowledge is really imparted and it is transferred to the student. So that is one thing really good that I saw, that the classrooms are really small, 16 to 20 seats are there at best, and they are well equipped. The teachers are good, and I mean the professors are good, and I'm sure they will take pains, because they were really taking pains to show me the classes around. So I'm sure while teaching they'll be even better. Rest the facilities are good. The city itself is good. A little far away from Moscow, but the academy is taking care of the transportation and looking after the kids. So overall it was a very reassuring visit. So I thought I'll share a few moments with you. Thank you.